What's the meaning of bicker? Bicker. Bicker.
Bicker. Bicker. The meaning of bicker is to argue or quarrel about petty matters. It refers to a minor conflict or dispute that is typically ongoing and involves trivial or unimportant issues. Bickering can arise in many contexts, such as between siblings, spouses, co-workers, or even nations. Such arguments are often characterized by a lack of resolution, with the parties involved frequently returning to the same issues or topics. Bickering can be exhausting and unproductive, ultimately damaging relationships and hindering progress. It is important to recognize when bickering is occurring and take steps to diffuse tensions and address underlying issues before they escalate into something more serious.